used to think if I couldn't find hope.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you this makeup look using MyGlamm products. Let's start it. I applied Glow Brightening Essence from MyGlamm. As you can see, I moisturized my face well with it and I used it as a primer also. I applied it completely on my face, massaging it so it will make my skin glow. Next, I use Total FF Foundation plus Concealer palette from MyGlamm, and now I'm gonna apply the red eye concealer over my eyes, as you can see. So after applying it, dab it with your makeup sponge. As you can see, I'm doing softly and so that it can blend it well. After that, I use Hot palette from MyGlamm, that POPxo beauty one, as you can see, and now I'm applying the eyeshadow, as you can see there. So yeah guys, this is the complete look. Now I'm gonna apply the highlighter. Now I'm gonna apply the foundation. As you can see, I'm gonna applying it with brush, then I will dab it with the help of sponge. Here you go, it's dabbing time. Yeah, it gives me full coverage, as you can see, and I was quite impressed with the quality also and the stay also. After that, I applied my liner, as you can see, using MyGlamm's liner, roll on one. I love this eyeliner so much, so easy. And now I'm gonna apply the mascara. This twisted mascara is awesome, literally. After that, I applied the translucent powder using POPxo palette, hot damp one. And then after, I'm applying the blush. Oops. And here's the final look, as you can see. And after that, I'm gonna do some contouring. Yes, I did. And after that, I'm gonna put some highlighter on my nose. As you can see, it looks just wow. And now I'm gonna apply beautiful lipstick. I love this shade so much. It's Feeling Epic. The shade name is Feeling Epic, and I changed my clothes to give the full Indian look. Mixed it with Instagrading shade to give a more neutral kind of pinky shade. And yep, I'm ready with the final look almost, and gonna wear my earrings. So yeah guys, just got ready and now you can see the full look. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you want to see next. Okay, bye guys, thank you so much for watching.